All right, so here's part 2 of 10-5. Okay, we're talking about circumscribed polygons. Okay, circumscribed, not circumcised. Okay, it's totally different things. Circumscribed is basically means it's gonna surround a circle. Okay, so an easy way for me to remember circumscribe is like surrounds. Okay, it surrounds a circle. Okay, it surrounds, or not a circle specific, it surrounds an object. Okay. And this is actually how you spell surrounds. Okay. So when a polygon is circumscribed or surrounds a circle, all of the sides of the polygons are tangent to the circle. Okay, so let's take a look at this example here. Points A, B, C, D, E, F, all these points, okay, boom, okay, they are exterior points. And all these segments here, like A, B, BC, and so forth, okay, they're all tangent to the circle, okay? Each of those segments touch it at exactly 1 point, okay? So now, if they're tangent to the circle, what does that mean, okay? So now we know if they're tangent, that means the segments from the same point, from the same exterior point, are congruent, okay? So we're going to talk about that here. So a really quick example for this one. AB is congruent to AF, okay? Do we see that? Oh, sec, no, don't listen to that. Don't listen to that. You actually need to make another point here. Let's call this like K and call this W. So AK is congruent to AW, okay? So whatever it hits the point of tangency. This example might be hard to see. Here's the easier one. Okay, square GHJK is circumscribed about circle Q. Then we know all of these are tangents here. So GH, JH, JK, and KG are tangent to that circle. So I make this point here. Let's call this point A and call this point B. Okay, here's an easier visual. G is the exterior point. And so we're going to know GA is congruent to GB. Okay, that's what that is saying. Okay, boom. This tangent here, this tangent point, and that tangent point was said these are equal. Likewise, these two, boom, those are equal. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Those are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so they're basically equal to the other segments that come from the same exterior points, okay? So let's do an example. That might be just easier to see. So triangle ABC is circumscribed about circle O. Find the perimeter. Okay, let's zoom in on this example. Look at BE right here. If BE is 6, then we know for sure DB has to be 6, okay? And then over here, if FC is 8, then we know EC has to be 8, okay? Because they're coming from the same exterior point. And then again, if this AF here, AF is 12, then AD has to be 12. Okay, so that's what that theorem is saying. Nothing special. So find the perimeter. You just add up the whole entire side. So you're going to have the perimeter to be 52. Okay, boom. All right, that's it. Okay, let's do some examples. We won't do 4. I'm going to do 1, and then you guys can do 2 and 3. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, we want to find x and then find the perimeter. So it's pretty easy. If this right here is 8, well, this here has to be 8. So 2x equals 8. We know x has to be 4. Okay, boom. Answer number 1. So that's 4. So in the end, this is still 8. If this side is 8, then this side has to be 8. And if this whole thing is 16, this here has to be 8 right over here. Oh, so actually, look. Everything's just 8, right? Wild. So find the perimeter. The perimeter equals, well, basically each side is 16. It's a perfect square. Times that by 4, 64. Okay. Hit pause here. Do 2 and 3, and then we'll check with each other. Alright guys, so check out number 2 here. Okay, so x equals 8. Let me show you the process on how to get that. If you know this here is 18, then over here it has to be 18. And you know the whole thing is 26, so you know this remaining half here, or part, has to be 8. Okay, 18 plus 8 is 26. Once you know this is 8, over here it has to be 8 because they're tangent from the same point there. And then over here, this part right here has to be 14 since this part is 14. And again, it's because they share that exterior point, okay? When you add up the perimeter, I just do it by pair. So 18 plus 18, 36, 16, 28 equals 80 for the perimeter. Number 3 right here. Okay, this is 1. Why is it 1? Well, because this small piece is 1 on that side, which means over here has to be 1. This here is 3. Then over here is 3. Likewise, 2 and 2, 6 and 6. Okay, and then 2 plus 6, add that up. That's your whole x, which is 8. And then when you add everything all together, you should get 24. Okay? Alright guys, good luck with your homework.